Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today in part 2 of our Louisiana Highway 22 series, we begin at I-10 in the town of Sorrento in Ascension Parish, Louisiana. We finally get out from behind this piece of farming equipment, and here the road has temporarily widened to a divided 4-lane highway. The local name of LA-22 here is John LeBlanc Boulevard. The 4-lane was built in 1990, bypassing most of the populated part of Sorrento. Prior to that, LA-22 veered to the right and went along Main Street through Sorrento between Bayou Conway and the Kansas City Southern Railroad tracks just before Airline Highway. We cross US Highway 61 here, and the road narrows back down to 2 lanes, and the John LeBlanc Boulevard name is dropped. We enter the unincorporated community of St. Amant, named for a family of early settlers in the region. And before anyone comments, if you come here and pronounce the name of the area as St. Amant, the locals will look at you and say, "You ain't from round these parts, are you, Sha?" Okay, I don't think the people here actually talk like that, but locally the name is pronounced something like Sanama. In August of 2016, this area was hit by a devastating flood after torrential rains fell totaling 6 to 10 inches. The flooding claimed 11 lives and 40,000 homes were damaged. Here we see a junction with LA 429, which begins here and goes straight ahead, and LA 22 makes a 90-degree turn to the right. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. We conclude today's video here. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.